Hey there, today's another horrible day outside, so I've not really been out to do much. I'm just going to leave you with a few clips of some things I've been up to.
You like big, hard wood.
Hey there, well today's Easter Sunday and, well Lula, why don't you tell everyone where we are? Where are we?
In here.
In here. Alright guys, I am the Captain Duck.
See what he got me? You see what he got me? I'll get him. Oh yes. I'll get him.
What he doesn't realise is, he may get me, I'll get him back.
Who are we going to see? Here, this is just complete irony, right? Health and safety manual. Oh no, hang on a sec. Yep, there we go. Health and safety manual. Ironic. The pure definition of it. I wonder who was responsible for that, eh, Bev?
Stop videoing me! I may have put it on the arm.
But in the end, happy birthday, John. And, well, Loz's attempt at making you a cake was a bit of a failure. Cheeky bitch. Ta-ra for now.
It's all sticky. He's been using them. They're second hand. Swears I want my money back. He's dirty. Actually, that's as far as I go. As far as I go.
The thing is the fact that you're looking down at your lap, John.
Oh fuck, I broke it. It's actually so small. It's actually a bathing cap for your knob.
And as promised, by the title of this piece, a growling parrot. Hello.
I'll give you that. I will. I'll give you that. Did you use my magic soap? Did you? He's growling at you.
Oh.